Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you should hold down to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, you should hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time like this. So when this kind of menu appears, you should use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you should select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.